My name is Eddie Rodriguez. This is Lear 60 on board. There are many potential career paths in aviation. I decided to become a pilot when I was 7 years old. One of my cousins was in the Navy, flying for the Navy, and I thought that was pretty cool to fly and travel the world. And I've been on the Lear 60 for approximately 20 years. Love it. Can't complain. Happy to be here.
I've been an AMT for 6 years, all of which has been here at Banyan Air Service. I found an AMT school here locally in Florida. It took me about 2 to 3 years to complete the classwork, in which I first obtained my airframe license and started here at Banyan right out of school. And then 6 months later obtained my power plant, and here I am today. You know, there's a lot of satisfaction. You know, we have a lot of challenges in our job. When you get to the end of the project and everything goes well, the aircraft is safe, and you have a happy customer, it's really gratifying.
Being in the avionics technician for about 10 years already. We did some entertainment system in for the Colombian president aircraft. So I like that one because it was kind of challenge, and was kind of a lot of pressure on us. Every day while we were kind of doing something, a lot of people were looking at us for what we're doing. I'm always proud for what I do, so it's kind of everything that I do it with my best.
If you're aspiring towards a career in aviation but aren't sure on how to take the next step, join us at our annual Banyan Aviation Day. You'll have the chance to interact with aviation professionals, training specialists, and flight programs eager to share their passion for aviation with you. There's no cost to attend, just RSVP online. Register now to get your aviation career off the ground.